Welcome back to my channel, friend. Actress Hiroshi Suzu appeared on the TV's Live on the 24th. There was a scene where she screamed and collapsed from her chair. Did you dye your hair? Hiroshi Suzu new hairstyle with the inner color. Hiroshi appeared as a guest with actor Matsuyama Kenichi, who co-starred with her to promote the first episode of the drama, who saw the Peacock Dancer Friday 10 p.m. on the same network. The two teams split into the 6-on-6 team. Hiroshi Army led by Hiroshi and Matsuyama Army led by Matsuyama and participated in the popular Blippi Peaky battle using Blippi chair that send electric current through the out